Alright, this is another day and episode of Angira's Bathroom. Super is 93.5 Red FM. Well, the guest in my studio today needs no introduction. He's extremely honored and super loved by everybody in our country because he represents India. If you want to know who this is, well, you got to be sporty and you got to look this side.
Hi Angira, thank you so much for having me here today.
It's an absolute pleasure. What are you saying?
No, it's lovely to be talking to you as well.
Absolutely. Thank you. Rohan, when you walked in, the general idea for Indian women, like, oh my God, we love tall men. So that was just like, well, what happened there? This is great, not good.
No, but, thank you for that. Definitely over the years, indeed, a lot of people have told me and appreciated my height, and it's good to get a few compliments.
You get a lot of these. You get a lot of these compliments?
Yeah, it has been, a lot of people who have mentioned that. But the sport I played, most of the tennis players are pretty tall, not only from India, but also in the international circuit.
Say, Rohan, we finished the interview. We say our byes. We've had a lot of fun. We've taken all the selfies that we need to. And you find yourself walking out with a lottery ticket worth $10 million.
Ooh,
What are you going to do with that?
I mean, the first thing comes into mind is keep the 9 million and take that extra million and donate it to charity. But obviously, need to think about what I'm going to do with that 9 million, and that's the obvious, or not obvious, but that's the answer which is coming into my mind right now.
You were in Angira's bathroom. You were in my bathroom for the first time. What is the first thing that you would notice?
The energy and all the color here, the Red FM studio has, the bright colors. And today you're wearing, a shirt which is really being colorful and out there. And, I think that me speaking to you, I think with you bringing your energy makes me easier and calmer to talk to and talk as well here.
Well, thank you. $1,000 if you tell me which flag, at least determine one flag.
Costa Rica, Jamaica.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
None of these are flags, Rohan.
Oh, well,
they're not real flags.
Okay, but at least it definitely looks, I've traveled quite a bit and this colors seem pretty similar, yeah.
Okay, got you there.
Definitely got you there.
That goes into my next question that I want to ask you. You're from Bangalore, and if somebody like me who came into this city for the first time, what are the 5 places or the 5 things that you would encourage me or advise me to do?
First and foremost, try the filter coffee. I have a sweet tooth, so every time I love gulab jamuns, and only from this one particular place, which is the Bhagat Ram gulab jamuns.
It's mad. I've tried it. Yes.
Corner house.
Yeah.
Can't complain. Coming to Bangalore, I tell everybody they have to
the chocolate. What do they make that out of? It's so good, right?
Yes. The chocolate sauce is something else.
It's something
Whoever
else.
came up with that recipe, I think.
High five to that.
Yes. I like the dosa in Chalukya and Meghna biryani.
No.
No, I was just kidding.
There's this one game which I find ridiculous. The game of 20 questions. Have you ever played it?
No, I haven't.
Okay, that's one game Rohan Bopanna does not want to play. But in that game, you have this question which says, hey, are you a sea person? Are you a mountain person? What is Rohan Bopanna?
Definitely a beach person.
Do you have any favorite song that when you're, out there or when you're by yourself, you're chilling, good mood, bad mood, there's one song that Rohan Bopanna resonates to?
I'm a big fan of Aamir Khan. From the movie Dil Chahta Hai, of course.
Can you sing?
No, not at all. Not at all.
No, don't ask me to sing, please.
That's definitely not my forte at all.
Coming back to sports, hashtag nepotism is the word that's trending for the last couple of months. Do you think that exists in the sports segment arena?
I don't think so. I can speak only for tennis because, it's very practical, and the way it's done, we have a ranking system which is up online and everything, so there's no really preferences as such or anyway, so it's literally based on your current world ranking is how you get into every tournament.
If Rohan Bopanna had to be shipwrecked on a deserted island, deserted island, with all your human needs, basic human needs like your food, water is given, what are the 2 things that you would take with you?
Music.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter.
Rohan Bopanna had a choice between 2 superpowers, one being invisible and the other...
Invisible. I've always wanted the superpower to be invisible.
But don't
so-
you think invisible is creepy? Like you're just landing up and you're invisible.
Yeah, that's the best part of it. I think.
You don't think it's creepy?
No, I didn't even listen to the second superpower because I always wanted to be.
It was
invisible.
flying, so which you already asked.
Yeah.
So
Invisible is pretty
Works.
much works both ways, I think.
what did Rohan Bopanna do during the pandemic?
When before the lockdown or the week before the lockdown, I was actually traveling for a tournament in Croatia.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was the next tournament was supposed to be in California,
Mm-hmm.
and we were at Doha airport. I mean, we being my physio and myself, and they cancelled that tournament. And this was literally 1 hour and a half before we boarded the flight to LA. So we, of course, came back to India, and then as family, we said, okay, let's go to Coorg. My parents live in Coorg, so we'll go there for 3-4 days. And once we went there, the government announced the lockdown.
Oh, great.
So it was perfect. Actually, it worked out well. Our daughter then was not yet walking, so she was just crawling. So she had enough and more space to do.
Space.
It was great to spend time with the family. I mean, it had been about 20-25 years and the last time I stayed in one place
For so long.
for so long, and to be with family was really lovely. I completely enjoyed home cooked food, ate as much as possible, put on a few kilos
Right.
doing this. So I just really enjoyed as much time as possible.
Okay, thank you so much, Rohan. Well, that was Rohan Bopanna for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the show just as much as I did. This is another episode of Angira's Bathroom. We'll be back again next week with another guest. Until then, on Super It's 93.5 Red FM. Apart from that, well, like, comment and share this video. Bajate raho.
Red FM 93.5